Good morning. We are in Rosinio, Monferrato. We are here with Alessandro Negri from the Tecnobioma company. Alessandro, where have you taken us today?
Today I have taken you to see a system with our pellet boiler and your advanced pellet storage system applied to our boiler.
Here we can see the application of an advanced installation, specifically the Nova 3.
Yes, exactly, we have a plug-and-play installation on our pellet boiler. Our boiler can hold about 10 bags of pellets. With the application of the Nova 3 and the connection to the advanced storage, we are able to increase the capacity by about 50 more bags, so that we have more autonomy. The advantage of having applied the Nova 3 is that it is completely automatic because it only needs electricity to operate. It is already complete with a control unit that manages and controls the entire system. This makes it very easy to install and position even in an existing system. This is something that is of great interest to our customers who already have boilers.
Very good. Thank you, Alessandro.
It has been a pleasure.
See you soon. Good luck with your boiler business.
Thank you.